Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to eliminate unassigned traffic from Google Analytics. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's go. So, in theory, you cannot eliminate unassigned traffic because whatever is recorded. But there is a very smart way to actually do that. And I'm going to tell you right now what it is. The first thing we need to do is we need to understand what goes under unassigned traffic. And how we're going to do this, we are going to scroll up, we're going to add a filter. And here in the filter, we are going to say, for example, that we want the dimension that is called session default channel group, and we want to see only entries that are relevant to unassigned. And we are going to hit apply basically here in the bottom of the screen, and we're going to apply this filter. Once we apply this filter, we're going to change the dimension to session source / medium, and this means that now we are looking at all the entries that are currently grouped under unassigned traffic. And what can I see here? I can see that the vast majority of my unassigned traffic is coming from ChatGPT / not set, Perplexity / not set. Then we have some other entries, for example, clutch.co referral profile, something I don't recognize here, a not set entry, which is basically, I think, the largest in terms of sessions. So this is what goes under unassigned currently. What we're going to do now to eliminate unassigned traffic is to create our own channel group. So we are going to create a couple of channels that are going to be seen here in our main dimension that are going to basically take whatever is currently recorded under unassigned and reassign it to our own channels. And in this way, we are going to eliminate unassigned traffic. How can we do this? We are going to go here to admin, and we are going to scroll down under data display, and we are going to say channel groups. Right? So now we're going to create a new channel group. We're going to call this new channel group, and we are going to add a couple of channels. So I'm going to add a channel, and I'm going to call it maybe AI tools. And I'm going to add a condition. I'm going to say when, for example, the source of the incoming traffic to my website, and I'm going to have here maybe a regular expression. Let's say if we can do a regular expression, we only have matches, we don't have contains. Or we can say, for example, when the source contains chat GPT, and we are going to apply, or we are going to say that the source contains perplexity, then this traffic is going to be grouped under AI tools. And I'm going to click here on the top, and I'm going to say save channel. So now we created a channel that is called AI tools, which means that all the traffic that was labeled as ChatGPT not set, Perplexity not set, is going to be grouped under AI tools. Now I'm going to create another channel, and I'm going to do something even smarter. So we are going to say here, for example, let's say not set, or we are going to call it unidentified, and we're going to say, for example, when the medium in this case exactly matches not set, then you need to group this traffic under not set. Or maybe you can call it, for example, whatever real name you want, right? So unidentified traffic or whatever, let's say, name satisfies you. So we're going to save this channel. We're going to save now our group. And now we have a second group. So this is called new channel group that we created just today. So now when we go to the traffic acquisition report, so let's say we are going to come here to traffic acquisition, and we are going to go under our report. I can simply select here from the first column the dimension that is called new channel group. Now in this dimension that is called new channel group, you can see that unassigned traffic is only 4 sessions. Why unassigned traffic is only 4 sessions? Because we grouped not set traffic independently, and then we created another bucket that is called AI tools that actually absorbed all the traffic that is coming from ChatGPT and Perplexity. So this is a very smart way to eliminate unassigned traffic. So you can create your own version of channel grouping. You can give your own conditions after you see what goes under unassigned traffic, and therefore you can regroup everything and you can minimize or even totally eliminate unassigned traffic. That's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.